Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to edit path color in GIMP. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to go to File and click on New. We need to create here a new image, so I type here width and height and I click OK button. After that I will create a new path, so I go to Paths tool and then I change color from white to black and I click OK button. Now I draw a new path, maybe something like that. And now our path has been successfully created here. If we would like to fill it, we need to click on Fill Path button and we need to select color that we want to use. We can select here foreground color, background color or pattern, and of course you can modify your foreground color here. So now it should be filled with black color, so I click Fill, and how you see, color of our path has been successfully changed. But if you would like to change stroke path color, for example to red, I will change foreground color by clicking here, and for example I will select here red. Then I click OK button, I go to stroke path, and now I click stroke button. After that, color of our path will be successfully changed. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Let me know in comment if this method solved your problem.